as we're set for battle here for game 2 of the day. The Flyers picked up the loss as they still search for their first goal here of the GMHL Showcase. Here's Profit off the boards. It'll go down the length for icing. Marin leaving it back for Profit. Profit looking to get this cycle game going. Centering, pass out front off a stick. Wasik had a hack at it. But here's Lamoureux putting it on net. Arangio looks to get that one. Russell with a chance. Russell shoots, and a stop from Holden Stone. Holden the fort down in between the pipes. Russell tying up on the draw with Freeman. And it's Ramanjolo who gives this one away. Pryor sends it in. Hull gave it away. Maybe a chance for Ramanjolo. Bouncing puck. Pryor looking to pinch. It's flipped up by Higgs. Off the boards, Lowe's was looking for Freeman, but it's picked up by Arangio. Freeman sending this one in, going for a change. Wholesale change upcoming for the Renegades. And it's Russell getting this one in deep. Marin couldn't handle it. As we still fight for it in that far corner to the right of Holden Stone. Melchiona trying to pass. It gets out of Renegades territory. It'll be offside for now. Off the boards as the Flyers look to build on their advantage. Barris has his puck, and it's sent down. Won't be icing. And a miscommunication between Ho and Lowe's, as it'll make its way back for Lamoureux. And this dump and chase game gets going for the Flyers. Barris has it, and Stone was out of the net for a moment. Didn't think Barris realized. Shot there, stopped. Rebound through the blue paint, and it's covered up by Stone. 12:04 left in this first period. Doubled up the Rampage. Check along the boards. Loses the puck from Russell with 8 minutes left in this first period. Fast-paced action here at the Gales Center. Game 2 on rink number 4, game 3 of the day. If you watched our first game of the day, it was the Preds. And an upset against the Lynx, picking up the 2 points. Ho at the line. Off the glass, a funky bounce as it's shoveled around by Wosik. Across and picked off by Russell. Russell having to wait up to dump it in. To go in, having to dump in there. Centering pass, incomplete. Baxter looking to center for Chiarello. And it was stopped by Stone. Pryor. Right into the glove of Stone. Some confusion. So the Flyers with another chance on the man advantage. And it's Russell who got pinned along the boards. Baxter, Barris trying to break free. Baxter giving it back for Pryor. Into the feet of Baxter. Some sloppy passing from the Flyers. It gets sent in behind Stone. Harris with the check. Marin into the feet of Profit. Was trying to clear. Barris into the slot for Trello. He shoots that one wide. A good look for the Flyers on this man advantage. With 70 seconds left in the penalty to Sidu. Baxter. He shoots that one wide. And Sally's looking to retrieve that one sent down the length of the ice. So after all of that, it looks like it'll be 5-on-4 for 2 minutes. A couple of offsetting penalties as the Rampage wanted a call. They're not going to get it. Chiarello walking the line. Russell shoots and stopped by Stone. Chiarello back for Russell. Russell looking to go across for Baxter. Can't handle that pass. Baxter back down to the point by Pryor, shot wide. Wasik off the boards, didn't know where the puck went for a second, and Pryor will recover right in front of his net, and Wasik with a shove. Officials saying it was onside. As Wasik nearly had a breakaway. I think Baxter got his stick on it as Sally's and Wasik have a chance 2-on-1. Sally's shooting that one wide, trying to go glove side on the Russian keeper. Officials will say it was offside after the collision with Sidu. Arangio with a chance now the other way. Some shoving behind the plate. Arangio 2-on-1 shoots stopped by Stone. Profit taking a tumble in the corner as Marin with some pressure looks to clear, and that'll do it for the first period. But here we go, second period action between these two teams. Both teams looking to earn a split at the GMHL Showcase, losing in regulation with their games. You saw a battle of two undefeated teams in the Showcase earlier between the Preds and the Bulls. The Preds and the Lynx, where Nick Savoy had a pair. As that will be icing. Savoy had a pair, including the overtime winner. Tied up on the draw. Wosik has it. Wosik trying to get this cycle game going. Wosik on the backhand, stopped by Petrov. Marin shoveling this one around. Some zone time finally for the Rampage as Marin gets boxed up by Lamoureux. They wanted the penalty, won't get it. That pass out of the reach of Baxter, and it'll go down for icing. Sidu, he shoots. That one deflected and stopped by Petrov. Marin keeping this one in. Lamoureux holding up behind his net. Lamoureux looking for Chiarello. It'll go down, won't be icing as it was deflected. Tied up on the draw as the Flyers look to break out here with Dean. Russell. Curling, shooting, that one. Wide, Sally's there with the puck. Sally's nearly lost it. Yvonne tried to keep it in, and Sidu going for a skate. Dean over for Russell. That one just offside by Chiarello. Russell wins that draw as it's off the boards and kept in by Wosik. Ireton gets that pass intercepted, sent down with Ireland retrieving behind his net. Wosik, he shoots, stopped by Petrov. Puck near the blue paint. Russell tries to clear. Sally's keeps this one, and he shoots that one wide. Marin trying to set things up. Marin cross for Sally's. Sally shoots off the glove of Petrov. It'll stay in off a funny bounce off the boards. Wosik walking in. He shoots. That one blocked by Pryor. Sent down and off of Sally's shot. Again blocked by the Flyers. Some tired bodies here on the ice as Pryor able to get this puck. Marin. All the pressure in the world. That one shot. Rebound chance stopped by Petrov. Sally's gets taken down. A couple of great looks for the Flyers. Here's Sally's looking for Muhal. Profit. Back down for Sally's. Marin. Cross ice. 30 seconds left in the 5-on-3. Here's Sally's. He shoots that one wide with some traffic out front. Puck behind Petrov. Some shoves after the whistle. Will go behind his net. 4:47 left in this second period. Alex Vandenhack from the Gale Center in part of the GMHL Showcase. Shot there right into the glove and stopped by Stone. Out of the point, Ireton. Cross ice for Newman. Shot there, stop. Rebound on Stone as his Flyers pressure continues. Ireton faked his shot, slap pass around the boards. Funny bounce right off of Stone. And Marin will back things up in his end. check right by that Flyers bench involving Ethan Muhal. Puck got past Muhal there as Russell lofts it in, trying to get this dump and chase game going for the Flyers. And penalty differential. And the box, Daniel Profit had that PPG for Richmond Hill. That clearing attempt gets blocked by his own man. Fight for it along the boards. Chiarello trying to get that puck free as it stays in, but not for long. As it's sent down right onto Petrov, who will hold things up. Game 2 of the GMHL showcase, has concluded with Northumberland winning 7-0 against Wasaga. Russell with it by the Flyers bench, back for Baxter. Minute 25 left in the frame. Baxter down to the point, Russell. Russell finning on that pass, maybe a chance shorthanded the other way with Sidu. 57 seconds left, 2-on-1 with Sidu. Center pass to the backhand. What a stop by Petrov. Sidu second chance. Sallies gets robbed. And the Rampage having to be careful as it could have been too many men. Sidu with a check the other way. And I believe on the other side, Petrov lost his skate blade. As it's back for Baxter. Baxter shoots. That one deflected. That one shot down. And it'll be Whist. Third period action here from the Gale Center set to begin just now. My name is Alex Vandenhack. Toronto with a 4-1 lead as they look to pick up win number 6 on their campaign. They lost yesterday against the Bulls. Speaking of the Bulls, they'll be next up here at the Gale Center. And their second matchup of the showcase. Most teams playing 2 games here so far, like the Preds, who picked up their second win of the campaign in overtime, thanks to Nick Savoy. As a shove for it along the board, centered out front off the stick of Petrov. And shovel down the length of the ice, it'll go down for icing. Sally's backhanded that puck. It hit off of Profit. Here's Russell. Russell getting around. Can't get a shot off Sidu. Getting his stick there. And covered up by Stone. And the penalty to Yvonne. And a minute of power play for the Flyers. Their turn. As Barris shoots off the side of the post. And Lowe's clears to the point. Lamoureux, he shoots. That one deflected off the stick of Wosick. Marin gets crunched along the boards. And some shoves for Marin. as Barris looks to go the other way. Freeman missing his hip check. 3-on-1. Barris, he shoots, and a stop from Stone. Here's Freeman looking for Marin the other way. Marin on the break to the forehand, stopped by Petrov. And Marin gets checked by Freeman again, and those two go at it. Ireton with it behind his net. Back to 5-on-5 with Sally's out of the box. Profit can't handle that puck, 1-on-1 the other way. Baxter waiting for support. Baxter, he shoots. That one deflected off the stick of Wuhal. Centering pass intended for Chiarelli. As Sidu will go for a skate. Sidu with a hit along the boards with Dean, although he got the worst of it. Some pushing and shoving behind the net of Petrov. And it's sumped up by Melchiona. Barris trying to get around a pair of Renegade defenders, and it's covered up by Stone. Face-off won cleanly there by Freeman. Baxter behind the net, looking to center. Maybe a chance out front as Ho stumbled there. Pass into the feet of Higgs. Russell trying to get around as he has it behind the net, looking to center and can't complete that pass. Baxter out of the reach. Dean shoots, blocked by his own man, Russell. Centering pass. Russell and Chiarelli not on the same page. Here's Russell. Russell coming on in to the backhand, stopped by Stone. Rebound, spin shot. And the wraparound chance. What a stop as that one does not go in. Thanks to Holden Stone. Holden. Remember that save as Stone's a little bit shaken up. Ho. That one off the stick. And in to Flyers territory as the Flyers want this clock to hit triple zeros as they look to get win number 6 on their campaign. Both of these teams have really struggled in the early goings of the season. Baxter in pursuit of that puck. Baxter backing up, shooting right into the glove. Rebound was loose for a moment, but Stone there. Barris. The forehand, he gets his shot blocked by Marin. Dean gives this one over for Pryor. Pryor sends this one in. Flyers just happy to let this clock hit triple zeros. Winner of this game will split their weekend. 2 games, I should say, at the showcase. The loser will get swept, losing both of their games. Following this, it's the Bulls and the Meaford Knights will look to avoid the sweep. And for the Bulls to look to get the sweep after picking up the victory yesterday. Baxter. He goes in. Baxter, toe drag. She shoots that one wide. It would have been a highlight reel goal if that went in. Probably goal of the tournament. Stone leaves this one behind the net.